Alright, welcome back to the channel. We got ride day number 2. This is the second video of the ride day that we threw together the other day. It was an awesome time. Great time having the guys over, ripping on the track. Finally got the freestyle ramp used. Had to do a couple of rolling checks. Been getting some conflicting information from the viewers. You guys want me to have some kind of script thing and talk through these videos? Or would you rather me just do a quick little intro, shut up, and let you guys watch the video? Let me know down in the comments below, please. You can get these videos out to as many people as possible, trying to get them watched, because watch time gets the videos out. The longer you guys watch it, the more people get to see it. Some people are wondering why we don't have that many subscribers or why the watch times or videos aren't going very far. Well, nobody's really watching them that long. So if you can watch them, cool. Really appreciate it. It helps the channel out immensely. We got the subscribers, we're low on the watch time. So, with no further ado, I'm going to jump off here and we'll be checking down in the comments later to see what you guys have to say. You want me talking through these things or not talking through these things? I'm going to jump off here, let you guys listen to these engines rev. Have a great day.